Okay, so we have discussed this one that if it's PN junction, the electric field is from N to P. So this is the direction of electric field. So this diagram they have drawn it. Now the N type is positive with respect to P type because of formation of depletion region. The potential difference between N type and P type that tends to prevent the motion of electron from N to P region is known as potential barrier. Now we know that potential increases in direction opposite to electric field, okay. Now in this case electric field is towards left, means this side will be at higher potential, same like this one. In capacitors, if there is a positive plate and there is a negative plate here, so electric field will be in this direction, and which is at higher potential. This positive plate is at higher potential, no? So same here, this side will be at higher potential and this will be at lower potential. Now when an electron is trying to move, let's say from N to P, let's say it tries to move in this direction, because of this electric field this will be pushed back, or you can say it won't have that sufficient energy to overcome this electric field or this potential difference. Okay, if it has sufficient energy, it will move from N to P. So thus potential difference between these 2 points is known as potential barrier, okay, which is represented as V naught, and this is the curve. From here to here potential will remain same, okay. In this region here also potential will remain same, but within the depletion region potential will increase, same like this concept, capacitors concept. Okay, next is when P type, forward biasing and reverse biasing. So this is our PN junction and we have connected it to positive terminal of battery. Like P type I have connected to positive terminal of battery. So how to remember this is in forward bias? Positive terminal is P and P type is P. Okay. Now in this one P type, we know excess holes are there and here excess electrons are there. So here what happens when you have connected the battery, a lot of electrons will start flowing like this in this direction. Okay. When these electrons are flowing like in this direction, there will be more number of electrons here. Because of more number of electrons here, they will push the depletion region in this direction. So here the depletion region will decrease. So the thickness of depletion region will decrease when it is in forward bias. Okay. So when the thickness of uh, this one depletion region decreases, let's say initially this was the depletion region, there were a lot of P plus and B minus ions which were exposed. Now when the depletion region has decreased, so now only these have become neutralized. So only less number of ions are exposed. So electric field will also decrease. When electric field decreases, this potential difference or barrier potential will also decrease. So this will happen in forward bias. Next is uh, this is the same thing. The width of depletion region will reduce. When this reduces, it allows a greater movement of charge carriers across the junction, and hence resistance of diode decreases. Next will be the curve. Okay, this is the reverse bias. 1 second. Yeah. Now this is the curve of forward bias and reverse bias also. This region is for forward bias. Okay. Now as we have connected the battery to PN diode, this is your forward bias, positive terminal of battery to positive terminal. When this happens, depletion region starts decreasing. When depletion region starts decreasing, more current will start flowing. At a certain point, once you keep on increasing the potential difference of battery, this depletion region will vanish. Then large amount of current will start flowing through the diode. Okay, that is the curve of this one. So as you can see here, uh, initially very less amount of current was flowing. As we are increasing the potential of battery, this is the potential of battery, at a certain point a large number of current will start flowing. Please remember, in the top side it is in milliampere. Okay, this is your forward bias. Okay, thank you.